Hello and thanks for watching. We're going to do a weekly typing test at typing.com. So either log in or sign up. As always, you're going to log in as a student and use your school Google account. So click on that. All right, here's what you're looking for. When you get to your home page, your dashboard, you go to tests, and then you'll take your first 1-minute test. Before you begin, if you would like to not lose your mind, you can come over here and turn off the sound of your errors being read aloud to you. Super annoying.
To begin, type the word water, uppercase,
Water,
covered.
cover,
Oops, you type
oops,
space to type
space,
70, 0.
So I got my score of 38 words per minute, 94% accuracy. I'm going to open up a new tab and make a spreadsheet. I type in sheets.new, that's a great shortcut. And it makes a brand new spreadsheet in Google Drive. Up here, we're going to type the words per minute. And over here, we're going to type the week. So we'll say the week of August 12th. And my words per minute is 38. And let's put in the accuracy of 94. I'm going to leave off the percentage right here so you can see it. This is what we're creating, this chart right here. And eventually you'll have more data in here. Let's say the following week you move up to 42. But let's assume this is your chart. And we're going to come up here and make a chart with that. And I don't think that's super clear, so I'm going to switch it over here to a column chart or a bar graph. So here's the interesting part. I'm going to take this chart, I'm going to copy the chart by clicking these 3 buttons up here. That's where we find copy the chart. And I'm going to enter it on my slides. Again, slides.new. Here's how you open up your new slides. These slides are going to be your work log. And we're going to go to a new slide over here. Typing progress. And we're going to paste. And here's the important part, slow down, you need to link to the spreadsheet. What's cool about this is that it's linked to the chart, and if I go back and I add more data the following week, so I say August, this would be about September 2nd, and now I'm up to 52 words per minute, 97% accuracy. This has automatically changed and updated, which is awesome. And over here, this recognizes there's an update and it will automatically update as well. So that's our new learning for today.